front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access battery. Then click on system modes and click on X mode. Lastly, to apply high performance mode, select apply in X mode pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. To switch it off, click on dynamic and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!